There's nothing in there for you. Can you tell everybody hi? Hi. Yes. Don't lick that. That's not for you. I love you so much. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be trying the Say Yes to Tomatoes 2-in-1 pack for blackheads. And while Leia is playing in the background. Leia. Leia. Oh. Hi. Give me that toy. Okay, fine, don't. Anyways, let's get back to the video. I love you, Leia. Okay, so it says here that you need to apply warm water around the nose area. Use the cotton swab to apply the cleanser in the small packet around the nose area and to open the pores. Rinse, leaving the nose wet. So I'm gonna go do that. I will be right back. Okay, so it says use the cleanser, which comes in a little black bag. Oh my, oh wow. Okay, so that's what the cleanser looks like. I don't like the fact that it has those little beads in it because they're harmful to the environment.
Jesus Christ.
And I wish I would have known that because it does not say on the packaging. Ooh. It's got a weird consistency. It's almost like a silicone-y consistency. Oh, God. You okay, baby? What are you doing? Ooh, it smells so good. Hello. ASMR. I should have posted a trigger warning. I know it said to just cleanse right here, but we're going in, girl. Let me go rinse this off. Ooh. I'm really anxious to try this product because blackhead strips never really worked for me. I don't know if it's because like I just have a extremely clean nose or because I know my pores are there. Like, girl, I have the biggest pores of them all. Faux show. I already feel so fresh and so clean. Step 2. So it says to put this on while the face is still wet. It looks like this comes in a little package. How cute. 2. Remove the backing from the nose strip and apply, adjusting to get the perfect fit. Wait 10 minutes until dry, then gently pull the nose strip off and rinse any residue. So this is my nose before, and of course it's not focusing. Pull this off the backing. Put it on like that. For $4, this better work. Okay, so I guess it did kind of adhere better now that I put a lot of water on it. The f***, I just stained my chair. Thanks, charcoal mask. You're the best. And now we wait. While we're waiting, I'm gonna open this Amazon package that I got today. This moisturizer in particular was recommended to me by a friend who has used this brand before. It's called Nuva Skin, and it's got retinol in it, so it's supposed to reduce these little fine lines up here, as well as redness, discoloration, which in case y'all were wondering, I'm sure you see this in every video, this is not a pimple. This is a scar from a pimple. Because I have sensitive skin and I scar very, very easy. This product is supposed to help with that, so I'm really excited to give it a go. Looks like I have a black nosebleed. I bleed black, man. Okay, yes, I'm gonna give you guys a fair update once I've tried this for a month. My husband's family came to visit this past weekend, and we went to Sephora inside the mall in JCPenney here in St. Louis. And I've worked at Sephora before. Like, I know with skincare, when people ask to have samples, you need to give them samples because they're trying your products out, okay? And to effectively try products out, you have to allow at least a month, girl. Like, you can't just like try something and then overnight be like, oh yes, I'm gonna buy it. No, because you need to know how your skin is gonna react, how it's gonna feel, how it's going to, you know, show you results over time. And I was like, okay, well, I'm really looking for a moisturizer. Day or nighttime doesn't matter. I would like to get a few samples so I know which ones I like and which ones I want to try. I literally only asked for one sample of this Drunk Elephant moisturizing cream, and she literally like pumped it out of the thing, told me to take it, put it on my face, and was like pressuring me to buy this like $90 kit that only had like little travel sized things in it. And I'm like, girl, I'm not gonna buy something right off the bat when you haven't even allowed me to try it for a full amount of time. Like, even if she gave me like a little bitty sample, I could at least try it for a week and then decide. So I literally said, no, I'm good, and I left. So that, ladies, is how you make a sale. You need to give out samples, especially with skincare. I'm sorry. And you know what? I've heard a lot of shit about Sephora lately. Like the singer that just went in there not too long ago. I don't know how you say her name because it's SZA. She went into the Calabasas Sephora and they accused her of stealing. So anyways, Sephora, ever since I worked there, to me, quality wise, has gone downhill. I have a really good friend that lives back in Kansas City who's a manager at Sephora, and she like knows her shit. She's one of the best makeup artists that I've ever met. But other than that, like the Sephoras that I have been to lately just are not holding up. If you ask me like, hey, would you rather shop at Ulta or Sephora? I would pick Ulta, hands down, 100% of the time. They carry more brands, they have better specials. I love Ulta. Ulta is the tits. So anyways, yeah, so I'll let you guys know how this works out, and if I decide to do a video on it, we'll see. I don't know. I would actually like to purchase a full skincare line to do a video on, not just one single product. So we will see about that in the future, but let's check this mask. Oh dude, it's not even like close to being dry. Okay, now we're getting somewhere, y'all. That feels really good. I know, stick to your day job. Whatever. Or my personal favorite, what did you do with that money? What money? The money that your mama gave you for them singing lessons. Ooh! Haters gonna hate. Oh no, it's gonna cloud up. I wanted to go to the pool today. Maybe I still will. Okay, guys. I think it is dry enough. Let's peel it off. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's shit. Oh, there's a few little thingies in there. I don't know. I'm going to try to show you guys a close-up of the pore strip. There's definitely a few in there, but overall, your girl's pretty clean, man. I guess I just don't have pores on my nose, which is not true because I know I do. Anyways, I'm going to go clean this off and then I'll be right back. So I just wanted to share something that I thought was really weird. It feels like there's like a film on my face now, like a really weird clear layer of film. Like I can't get it off. Like it looks like nothing's there, but girl, I can assure you, there's something there, you know? It does feel a little cleaner. It definitely looks shinier, but it looks cleaner to me. Anyways, okay, let me show you a close-up. Okay, so I thought I would just show you guys what is on the pore strip. There's a few little spots. Get a little closer there. Oh, there's a good one right there. See that? Right there. Anyway, oh, there's some more. So yeah, that's absolutely disgusting. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down below if there's different things that you want to see. I guess I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! Hey guys, so I just wanted to include this quick clip in today's video of why I changed my YouTube name. I just decided that it was better if I associated it with my name since it is my skill set. I didn't want it to be my Instagram name anymore. So I went ahead and changed it to Lissa Lou because that's my nickname and you guys will get used to it. So if you don't like it, I'm sorry, but I love it. So I just figured I'd put that in there so you guys aren't completely confused. You know what I mean?